and welcome to Energy Management. Is our group member. This is our energy management proposal video on how to achieve 3-star energy management gold standard (EM). The objective of the proposal are first to obtain the endorsement from top management to enhance sustainable energy management (SEM) under Asian Energy Management Scheme (AMS) in Pioneer's company. The second objective are to achieve 3-star certified energy management gold standard (EMGS) within targeted period. The benefit of implementing sustainable energy management system. By implementing SEM, this company will be benefit for the following reason. First is setting up systematic energy cost management to achieve energy saving. Second is reducing operation and maintenance costs. Third is increasing staff awareness for energy conservation and waste minimization. Next is developing staff knowledge and organization on energy management, setting up an energy target and plan, comply with regulation, and lastly is recognition and award. Certified Energy Management Standard. Pioneer Corporation is proposed to comply with the Asian Energy Management Scheme (AMS) Energy Management Gold Standard. AMS is an independent, non-profit organization in line with other international standards, but it adds additional requirements to demonstrate energy management achievement and performance. Requirement for 3-star certification. Pioneer Corporation have currently achieved 2-star certification in of the Gold Standard Energy Management. To achieve 3-star Energy Management Gold Standard, Pioneer Corporation must meet the requirement above. Open only for 2-star certified organization. Same criteria for 2-star and energy manager must be professional energy manager. The process for EMGS certification. Next is the evaluation of energy management metric in Pioneer. First is energy policy. At present, Pioneer Group has a formal energy policy, action plan, and regular review. The Sustainable Environmental Plan has full active commitment from top management as a part of environmental strategy. The second is energy management team. The Energy and Environmental Manager accountable as appropriate committee in Pioneer. That is motivation and training practice. There is a plan for training on energy management. Energy and Environmental Committee use as main channel together with direct contact with main users in Pioneer Group. Fourth is monitoring system. There has a monitoring and targeting report system for individual premise based on sub-metering. Although energy saving and waste reduction are not reported effectively to users. The fifth is staff awareness or training and promotion. There have some staff training programs, awareness and regular publicity campaign. Lastly is investment. There has positive discrimination in favor of energy saving and green scheme. The next chapter is expected profile of energy management metric in Pioneer 2020. The profile shows a U shape in the metric. There is no full active commitment from top management toward energy efficiency. It means that they have some improvement in order to get 3-star rating and maintain it. By implementing SEM, it is hoped that by 2020, 3-star energy management gold standard can be achieved and profile in energy management metric can be obtained. The profile in energy management metric should be maintained until 3-star certification is achieved. Okay, Energy Policy Pioneer Group. Basic policies of environmental preservation. First is compliance with law and regulation. The Pioneer Group will comply with all applicable laws, and regulation, and agreed requirement item in connection with environmental protection and when necessary. Establish voluntary school standard to reduce the negative impact of its activities on the environment. Second is the preservation of environment. The Pioneer Group will cease the use of, adopt, substitute substance for, or restrain the discharge of substances that are harmful to the environment. Third is the development of environment-friendly products. The Pioneer Group will examine the negative impact on the environment of the process from the procurement of material and part of the product to ultimate the disposal thereof and conduct product assessment in the course of its research and development activities. Next is management by goals. The Pioneer Group will establish goals in order to reduce the negative impact of its activities on the environment, such as natural resources saving, energy saving, recycling, and so on. System promoting environmental protection. On all Pioneer systems that contribute to the promotion of environmental protection will establish under the leadership of the officer in charge of the Environment Management Group of Pioneer Group headquarters to optimize the environmental management system. The sixth is training. The Pioneer Group will educate all its employees with regard to environmental protection, including notification of policies of environmental protection. In addition, specialized training will be given to employees when necessary. Last but not least, continuous improvement. The Pioneer Group will continuously maintain and improve its environmental management system and protection activities by understanding its activities and conducting appropriate measures in accordance with the result of an environmental audit. Lastly is disclosure. The Pioneer Group will disclose its policies of environmental protection, goals and results of its environmental protection activities to the public by use of environmental report. Okay, next is Energy Management Committee in Pioneer. In July 1991, Pioneer inaugurated a Pioneer Environmental Conservation Committee to serve as a group-wide organization that discuss and make decisions on environmental issues. In 2003, Pioneer established its eco-product division to enhance the group effort to cope with the EHS issue. In 2006, they inaugurated a Pioneer Eco-Product Committee as part of drastic reorganization, thereby building a two-committee structure. Pioneer recognized that responding to environmental problems including global warming, environmental pollution, and the loss of natural resources and biodiversity is their main social responsibility, as they will carry out business. They promote environmental preservation and proactive disclosure of information on its results with the aim of realizing a sustainable society together with their stakeholders. Next is energy audit. In order to remain trusted and respected by society as a good corporate citizen, the Pioneer Group Charter for Corporate Operation is foremost important among the rules of the Pioneer Group. The rules is included the Pioneer Group Code of Conduct, which stipulates specific decision-making and behavioral standards for group directors, officers, and employees in the performance of their business duty. Internal audits are implemented by the Audit Division to audit the status of the group entire management and operation with compliance with law and regulation. The Audit Division also works with the internal audit to enhance the internal audit function with regard to internal control system, risk management, areas related to corporate which quality control and environmental protection. Next is motivation and training practice. Pioneer believes that a good citizen, they have to strive to protect and improve the global environment and maintain high ethical standards in both local communities and international communities. The Pioneer Group has been working to contribute to local communities through environmental education program, zero garbage cleanup, and exchange meeting with local companies. Okay, first is environmental lecture at the Kawagoi plant. As part of its comprehensive learning activities, the Kawagoi plant hosts a lecture about global warming and Pioneer's environmental preservation effort. The next is an informational meeting on environmental activities for elementary school teachers. Towada Pioneer hosts an information meeting about environmental activities and inviting teachers from Kitazono Elementary School. Okay, the third is participation in a meeting among companies acquiring the ISO certification. DPC Shizuoka participated in a meeting among companies in Fukuroi City that have acquired the ISO certification and discuss green purchasing with attending companies. Participation in Festa Kangyo in Meguro. Pioneer Headquarters participate in the first environmental exhibition hosted by the Meguro World Office in Tokyo. In addition, Pioneer also conduct zero garbage cleanup organized by volunteers to pick up commuter-way trash at Pioneer location in Japan throughout the year. The next is energy saving target and plan. With the improvement of SEMs, it is targeted that by 2019, 7% total reduction of EEI can be achieved compared to baseline of 2016. This will qualify Pioneer to achieve 3-star EMGS status. By 2021, it is hoped that 30% of energy saving can be achieved compared to the baseline of 2016. The projected electricity consumption with all SEM is 39.19 million kilowatt, while the projected electricity consumption with SEM is 34.1 million kW, in which the total estimated saving obtained 1.807 ringgit Malaysian million as shown in figure. The projection is based on the target of reducing the usage by 7% at 2019 while reach 13% by 2021 using the baseline of 2016. Okay, as we can see here, the red color and green color from 2016 to 2021. The red one is referred to the old SEM and green is new SEMs or expected when applying SEMs. Okay, this graph shows the electricity cost in 6 years in ringgit Malaysian. Yellow color is referred to the old SEMs and green color is referred to the new SEMs. Based on the result above, it can say the implementation of SEMs so decrease the electricity cost and it can help to save the electricity, and with the 30% of reducing usage, able to save up a huge amount of money. Okay, next is system integration. It is important to integrate SEMs into the business practice. Some of the benefit from implementing SEM as part of Pioneer Sdn Bhd business model is reducing costs through efficient usage of energy, increasing productivity of company by adopting procedural optimization, improving reputation of company in society, establish linkage between companies to improve business sale, improve worker health, safety and welfare, provide a better working environment to improve worker fighting spirit, compliant with ISO 14001 standard. Okay, as we can see here, there is top management commitment. Relevant ISO is management commitment and planning, structure and responsibility, planning, management review. Top management must give full support to energy management and has a well planning for every activity. The second is a establishment of system and policy. Relevant ISO is quality policy, environmental policy, environmental management program. Energy management content is established of energy management system, policy and target reduction and improvement. Okay, the third is establishment of responsible department of committee. Relevant ISO is responsible authority and communication, responsibility and authority. Energy management content is energy management team and appointment of energy manager and the energy management team. Okay, next, the assessment and data validation. Relevant ISO, monitoring and measurement, analysis of data, monitoring and measurement. Energy management content is assessment of data and audit. Next is the implementation of corrective and preventive action. Energy management content is implementation of energy saving measures and project. The next is monitoring and control. Relevant ISO 900-2000 clause, monitoring and measurement, monitoring and measurement process, monitoring and measuring of product, continuous improvement. Relevant ISO 14000, monitoring and measurement, and energy management content is monitoring, reporting, targeting, and review. The lastly is training and awareness program. Competent awareness and training, training awareness and competent, energy efficiency training and awareness program for managers, finance executive, and engineer. Okay, a conclusion applying SEMs in field. The implementation of SEM is an initiative for all large companies or buildings that involve large amount of energy used to manage energy efficiently. It is expected that the plan for the introduction of SEM in Pioneer Corporation will be considered to gain approval from the top management. Finally, for the roadmap to a 3-star energy management gold standard certification, the company is ready and on the right track. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you. Bye.